Depression is not caused by demons. Stop the stigma against people battling with depression, against people battling bipolar, against people battling schizophrenia, and many other mental disorders. Science has proven that mental health disorders, including depression, bipolar, and schizophrenia, are caused by three main factors. Number one, genetics. Your genetic component in your body, in your DNA, can cause a mental health disorder. If your parent has had a mental health disorder, then you are predisposed to having the same condition. If your grandmother, if your auntie, if your uncle, if in your hereditary family, if they have had one mental health disorder or another in one of their lifetime, then you too can have the condition. Number two, it is caused by chemical imbalance in the brain. In the nerve cells, there are things called neurotransmitters that transmit information. They are messages from one nerve cells to another. We have dopamine, the feel-good hormone, that when you do something that is fulfilling, you feel good. We have serotonin, a mood stabilizer, and we have glutamate, and there are over 100 neurotransmitters in the brain. So when there is a shortage of a neurotransmitter in your brain, then you are prone to have depression. When the neurotransmitter is above normal or too much of it, then you are prone to have mania. So people who have bipolar, for example, have a high or low neurotransmitters. When it's time for them to have the manic episode, then the neurotransmitter are high. It's too much of it. And when they have depression, the neurotransmitter is low in their body, in their system, in their brain. So bipolar and mental health disorders are caused by an imbalance of neurotransmitters in the brain. Number three, a major cause factor of depression is environmental factors. What causes stress to you? What causes disappointments to you? What is that stressful situation that you are in? Those are risk factors for having depression. So, depression has been known to be caused by three main factors: genetics, chemical imbalance in the brain, and environmental factors, are not demons. So let us demystify mental health disorders, that they are not caused by spiritual forces. Let us stop the stigma against people battling mental health disorders. This has been your advocate, Samuel Ocheng, also known as Gospel Dynamite. Subscribe.